Then tin of tomatoes, mushrooms and onions, mix it and let it stand for a couple of hours and then cook it this evening. It tastes much better with steak mince. Here we go. Let that fry first. Open the tin of tomatoes. Here we go. Cheap and tasteful, easy to do. I get my mince from Costco. I pay a bit extra each piece of mince. Then I freeze it. Bring it out the night before. It's amazing. Happy days. Because I find you cook it early in the morning, time is now 8 o'clock, and then reheat it up about 3 or 4 o'clock and cook my dinner. Easy. And it tastes better when you cook it early, let it stand. It's marvellous. There's enough in here for 2 people. And there's no fat off this mince. It's not like the cheap mince you get, you've got to drain the fat off the frying pan. Especially doing the spaghetti bolognese. Right. Again, yeah. Right. Right. Next is mushrooms and onions together. Right. Then tin tomatoes. What I do then, fill this up with cold water up to about there. And then add this spaghetti bolognese mix. Simple as. It probably costs about, I don't know, about 4 or 5 quid for 2 people. Just mix in a bit. Just stir it around for like 5-10 minutes. don't mess about with it, just let it stand afterwards and then cook it tonight. And that's it. Yeah, the scary, what do you call them, scary long things out of the cupboard now. Again now. Use these tonight. And that's it. Scary bolognese done. Look at that, done. That's it. Mix is all mixed in. Turn it down. If you want to see it, that's more or less done. Simple. Probably take a handful of that tonight for 2 people. That's it. Lovely jubbly. Right, done. That's it. That's done. Thank you so much for listening to the video. Have a good one.